Mpumelelo Mseleku and his friends have been arrested after the police confirmed that the gun they had used ukucisha umuntu, Makwelo's alleged boyfriend, the gun was unregistered. Hey guys, welcome back to my page. This is Jackie Dube, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Remember, you should feel at home. All these conversations that we have here are open discussions. You are allowed also to put your opinion in the comment section down below. Just about a few months ago, it was reported that Musa Mseleku's son, aka Mpumelelo, kills an unknown man, and some people speculated to be Makwelo's ex-boyfriend. Anyways, you guys, this is what happened. Said that the man was an intruder, so it was more like a home invasion, and Mpumelelo had to do is self-defense. So it was alleged that, or it was claimed, in fact it was claimed that the man was killed because he had attacked Mpumelelo or tried to harm Mpumelelo. So then it went to a point where Mpumelelo had to defend himself, and then wacisha umuntu. Well. People are not buying this, you guys. People are not buying this. They are suspecting ukuthi amaphoyisa lawo basesikhwameni sako Mseleku, Mr. Mseleku has been bribing the police all this time. I am shocked. Nimanyile, to be honest. Maybe they have got, everyone has got their own opinion, but how is it siyababona laba abakhulu baya ecourt besiyachishela indaba yama court. Kodwa ke uMseleku omncane akabonakali ecourt, because if makuyi self defense kuthiwa, I guess awungeke ube you're not charged like that, or you might be, maybe if you're found guilty, but if you are innocent you are not charged, because it was self-defense. It's either kufa mina or kufa wena, and omunye lapha obona impilo yakhe, provided ukuthi lo muntu ubesendlini yakwaMseleku allegedly. Okay, i-drama ayipheli kwali family, okay. Yeah, so they are part of a reality show, and most of imsebenzi yama reality show is to keep us entertained. See who drama. So you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Do you think Mpumelelo might be guilty, or you actually believe them, or Mr. Mseleku is actually bribing the police? Because according to the investigations, he has been taken by the police. I am not even sure how true that is. So now, when they were investigating, it was found that the gun that was used to kill the intruder was an unregistered gun, which is very unlawful to have a gun which is not registered. So that gun is said to have been unregistered. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section down below. And also I want to talk about this. As you can see, guys, my channel has been getting a lot of traction lately with my recent video surpassing 10k views. Anyways, I would like to say thank you guys for joining me. However, I've seen some people in the comment section down below, these are lies. So here is the thing, guys. What happens is, Leana visual, it's for you to keep on staring to screen, right? So this is just for the eyes, but you can use indlebe zakho and listen to the real thing ngapha emlonyeni wami. So ama visuals lawana, yes, I can go on the internet, search for clips, try to, for example, what happened in Mangwabe state. Mangwabe, haven't been seeing Mangwabe kakhulu lately. Where is Mangwabe? That's the $1 million question. Abantu babuza ukuthi ungaphi uMangwabe? Ubonakala nje announcing that she is going on a last trip Mseleku family. So you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below, about this whole Mangwabe thing. You can also comment on the video. So my point was that, obviously, no, you guys listen to me. The real thing is down here in Levin, okay? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. see you on the next video. And in this channel we also do vlogs where things get a little bit personal, for to get to know each other. I cannot be having 10k people sing. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for?